at the annual Splash Bash event that we are hosting at the Family Aquatics Center this year to kick off the last event for our 10-year anniversary. The purpose of the event, how it started, is that it was an event to give back to kids ages 5 to 12 so that they had an opportunity to win some free school supplies. We've been doing the event so long that the event started to grow out of Long Branch Park pool, and we needed to move it to a facility that could handle the capacity of where we could fit everyone in the facility. Now we offer anyone to come in with their kids and enjoy a free day at the pool. Today we've seen probably about 3,500 people. Everyone loves the event. This is something we do every year because it's a good event. Keep an eye out in July of 2020 because we're growing the event again, so there's going to be some additional stuff. You can find out more information about the aquatic season for next year in 2020 on the city Facebook page, city website, or by calling 254-501-6390.